Hey y'all, what is up and welcome back to the channel. I'm excited for today's video. I'm going to be doing a little try on with some of the new Colourpop Lost in Love products. I got the eyeshadow palette and the Glitterly Obsessed, what is this? Glitter gel. It came with the palette. I did the little duo thing. And then one of the lip glosses, the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade One Kiss. And I also got the little heart sponge, but I already used it to apply my makeup. So I have thoughts on the sponge already. So if you're excited for this video, please hit that thumbs up before you click off and let's get started. So thoughts on the sponge. I don't really like it, sad to say. Like, the material this sponge is made out of feels rough on the face. Like, it's almost like how they got it to be colored red or something. Like, I don't like it. And it's sad because it's a heart shape. And it's really, really cute. And it, like, the squishiness is really nice. And I liked using this shape to apply my foundation and concealer. It blended out great, did really great with all that stuff, but like the texture and the feeling is really rough and scratchy. I don't like it. So anyways, let's move in. I already applied my foundation, powder, blush, bronzer because none of that came in the collection. Did my brows. So here is the palette. It is really, really pretty. There you go. You can see all the colors. It's really, really pretty. I love all these pinks and oranges together. That's my kind of colors. So excited for this. And then the Glitterly gel. I don't know if I'll use this today, but I'll go ahead and show you. The shade is Sparks. It's just this really pretty glittery pink. And then the lip gloss is like a really pretty nude. So I want to hop into an eye look real quick. I have like 15 minutes till I have to get out the door and head to work. So let's do a quick look. I love doing kind of like a one shadow in the crease look and maybe one shadow to darken up the crease and then something pretty on the eyelid. So that's probably what I will do today. Okay, well, hopefully that's good. I don't know. I felt like the lighting looked a little off. Maybe it's just because I'm so far zoomed in. Maybe I'll zoom out just a tad. So I think I'm going to go in with the shade called Dibs. It's a really pretty light pink. I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush and let me grab my mirror. And I'm just going to blend that all onto the upper crease and kind of onto the brow bone because that's just where I always put my transition shade. I'm so excited for Valentine's. I don't know. I feel like Valentine's for me, I've always loved. Like, let me know down in the comments. This is such a controversial holiday for a lot of people because it deals with love. So, you know, I feel like a lot of people don't like Valentine's Day because a lot of people are either alone on Valentine's or, you know, are dealing with, you know, other things and don't feel the love during Valentine's. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Are you pro Valentine's or con Valentine's? I don't know. Pro or I don't know what the other word is you use for that, but are you for Valentine's or not for Valentine's? I'm a big lover of Valentine's. Number one, the colors are pink and red. I am a big pink person. I love the color pink. Crazy enough, I used to hate the color pink when I was a young girl growing up. I hated the color pink. I was the lime green girl. Loved lime green. Now I can't stand lime green very much. It's not my thing. I love pink. And I love yellow. I love orange. Okay, so I feel like I got that blended out really good. I'm going to take, I think I'll take this orangey shade down here and kind of blend that into the pink a little bit, but maybe keep it just a tad bit lower in the crease, but just to add a tad bit of orange. Also, in the comments, do you all have any plans for Valentine's? Do you you know, do you have something you like to do on Valentine's and it's like your tradition? This is gonna be me and my husband's second Valentine's of us being married. So I planned a little weekend trip, but it's not gonna be over Valentine's. It's gonna be a little bit later. So I'm very much looking forward to that. The most we might do for Valentine's is maybe go eat out like the weekend after, the weekend before or something, because I hate dealing with crowds. I don't know about you guys, but I hate the crowds. I'm not for the crowd life. I'm not into the crowd life. I hate it with a passion. Okay, I'm gonna go into the crease, or not to the crease, the outer V area with a darker color. I think I'm gonna grab this shade here. It's called Just Us. It's like a dark pink. And I'm gonna put that kind of on the outer part of the eye. And I'm gonna run what's left on my brush down onto the lower lash line. I kind of like to use the same color that I put on my outer part of my eye, and I like to run that into the lower lash line. I feel like it really just kind of connects the top lid with the bottom lid, if that like makes any sense at all. Here's what the eyes are looking like so far. Now I want to use one of these really pretty sparkly shades. I'm just not sure which one. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with, they all kind of look like glittery shades except for Cupid. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with the shade called So In Love. It is a glittery shade, but it's not like a chunky glitter. I'm swatching it and it's more of a, I don't know what kind of finish you'd call this. I think the only glittery shade is the Totally Smitten shade. And I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. The texture definitely feels kind of like one of their single eyeshadows, the Super Shock shadows. I had to literally get one and look at it to get the name. That's just awful. Sometimes it's just one of those days. Okay, here's what the eyes are looking like. I'm going to put some mascara on and be right back. Okay, so here's the finished look. How's it look? I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to go in with the Ultra Glossy Lip in One Kiss. I didn't put any like lip liner on or anything. I don't really do lip liner a whole lot. But here's the Ultra Glossy Lip. I think it's really pretty. And it smells good. It smells like candy. I love that. Okay. That is going to be it for today's video. Hope you liked it. And hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up before you leave. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you'd like. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.